Bump out additions made simple. You think your home feels tight, but you don't want a whole new room or a long construction project? What if I told you that, with a much smaller price tag than a full addition, you could add functional living space, a breakfast nook, a bigger bathroom, even a dedicated home office, without upheaving your whole house? Let's talk about bump out additions, one of the most underrated and practical renovation choices for homeowners. Imagine taking a room you already love and gently pushing one wall out by a bit, maybe 2 feet, maybe 8, and suddenly you have more room to breathe, cook, relax, or work. That's what a bump out does. It's a modest extension of an existing space designed to solve a specific problem without the commitment of a full addition or a second story. Most bump outs range from 2 to 8 feet in depth, extending only a portion of a wall or the full width of a room depending on your goals. So, how much does it cost? If you're budgeting, here's what you can expect based on real project data. Smaller bump outs, think bay windows or a little extra bathroom space, start around $5,000 to $15,000. More substantial expansions, like a kitchen bump out or a primary bedroom, typically fall between $20K and $50K. And if you go for custom features or significant plumbing or structural upgrades, costs can climb toward $80,000 or more. These ranges still make bump outs more affordable than full home additions, and the timeline is shorter too. Some of these projects wrap up in just a few weeks rather than months. So where can a bump out make the biggest difference? Here are 5 of the most popular types of additions. First, a kitchen bump out. If your kitchen feels cramped, even a few extra feet can give you space for an island, open up room for a breakfast nook, or allow you to rearrange your layout for better cooking flow. Just plan ahead. Moving plumbing and electrical lines often comes into play here. What about a bathroom expansion? Small bathrooms benefit unbelievably from a bump out. That extra square footage might mean room for a double vanity, a walk-in shower, or significantly more storage. Or you can expand your bedroom suite. Want more space in your bedroom for a seating area or a walk-in closet? A bump out can make what feels like a modest bedroom into a true primary suite. Living room or family room. Think extra room for seating, a play area for kids, or big windows to bring in more light. Explore a home office or study. A small bump out can carve out a focused work zone without disrupting the rest of your floor plan. Even practical extras like mudrooms or expanded entryways become more functional with a bump out, giving you built-in storage and a cleaner, more organized home. But when it comes to bump outs, good planning matters. Sit down with a contractor early. A pro can help set expectations around structural needs, local zoning requirements, and permit timelines, all of which can impact cost and schedule. Expect some disruption, noise, dust, and shifting furniture, but because the work is limited to one area of the home, it's typically less invasive than a full renovation. If your bump out includes plumbing, electrical, or HVAC upgrades, coordinate those with your contractor ahead of time so systems blend smoothly into your existing layout. And don't forget the curb appeal. Matching exterior finishes, roofing, and windows will help your bump out feel like a natural part of your home, not an afterthought. So, is a bump out worth it? Here's the bottom line. If you're craving more space but don't want the stress, cost, or timeline of a traditional addition, a bump out can be an efficient, more affordable, and highly impactful solution. It can increase your home's livability and add thoughtful function to key spaces. If you're curious about what's possible with your home and want a more accurate sense of cost and timeline, talking with an experienced contractor is the best next step. Whether you're dreaming of that extra kitchen space, a larger bathroom, or a dedicated home office, we've got your back. Renovate with confidence when you partner with Block Renovation.